Hi everyone, in this video I will show you ERPNext tutorial for beginners. So first you just have to simply go to any web browser and then type ERPNext. You could also sign up or type sign up or log in here, and basically what you're going to do is you have to click the very first link that you can see. So this is what it looks like, erpnext.com/login if you have an account. Now, for those who don't have the account, so you need to contact their customer service, or you need to contact them in order for you to create an account. So as you can see, there's no sign up button right here. You need to contact them. You need to avail from any of their plans if you want to see that. Then what you're going to do is you have to click this pricing. Then you will see here the feature that you can unlock, or here are the features if you want to start for a small business. So basically you can see and you can unlock these features right here. As you can see, for $5 per month you can start with a free trial, so you can tap this one if you want to try. Shared bench, no per user pricing, quick installation, ease of updates, backup and restore, multi-region hosting, monitoring, custom domain with private benches, custom app deployment, multiple environments, one-click install for 150 market apps, service scripts, and so on. So strongly recommended this one right here, but you need to contact them in order for you to unlock this. But as you can see, all features are worth it. Expandable storage add-ons, unlimited benches and size, server analytics and alerts, ease of scaling, standard support, and so on. You also have this premium support, on-call technical consulting, and a lot more. So basically, if you want to try their free trial, all you have to do is to click this one right here basically, and you can just simply avail this or pay via credit card, debit card. Sometimes it depends on your region or country. So if you want to sign up with your Google, you can also try sign up with Google, or if you want to create an account using site name, you can do that. Okay, that would be like a custom site name, first name, last name, country, also your email address, and then agree to their terms of service, and then after that create an account. Or if you want the easiest way, then tap sign up with Google. So after you have connect your account to ERPNext, so what you're going to do here is to just continue with the following instruction here. So you need to enter or add your language, your country, time zone, and then tap next. After that, you also need to review your full name, add your email address here, and then your password. After that, you can now set up your organization. So add your company name here, company abbreviation. Take note that as you can see this asterisk here, that means you shouldn't skip this part. Okay, so you need to enter information here. Chart of accounts, standard or standard with numbers, and then financial year begins. You can add this one. After that, tap this check and then complete setup. Now it's setting up your system. Okay, so as you can see, this is ERPNext interface. So my trial will end in 14 days. I need to subscribe for uninterrupted services, so you can click subscribe here. And this is what it looks like. Here on the left side, you can see here the public, so you can create an item here, create a customer, create your first sales invoice. If you want to try this one or start with this one, just click, and then basically you can simply add an item, customer, and sales invoice right here. You could also go to shortcuts if you want to go to your item, to your customer, to supplier, sales invoice, and leaderboard. So for reports and masters, here you can see under counting the chart of accounts, company, customer, supplier, stock. You can also see here item, of course, warehouse, brand, unit of measure, stock reconciliation, CRM, lead if you want to see any updated status, customer group, and territory. So as you can see, there is also data import and settings, where you can simply import a data right here. All you have to do is to tap that one and then add data import. You can filter this with assign to if you have added your clients or staff right here. Also created by, add tags, and then show tags if you wanted to. So once done, you can now go back. So accounting. If you tap this one right here, then basically under accounting you will see this payables and receivables, also financial reports. So as you can see, this one is really good, especially if you're starting a business or if you're starting your company, because everything is here. You don't need to go to other platforms, especially if you need these features on your office, on your company, or on your business. So here under accounting, as what I've mentioned earlier, you will see here payables, receivables, and financial reports. So basically, under payables, you will see the shortcut. You will see purchase invoice, payment entry, journal entry, accounts payable, and also reports and masters for invoicing, payments, and reports. If you tap receivables here under receivables, you can see this sales invoice, POS invoice, payment entry, journal entry, accounts receivable, cost center. Also, you see here reports, masters, and reports. Financial reports, basically, you can see here the status, the following features such as ledgers, where you can see general ledger, customer ledger, financial statements. You can see here this following here, and then profitability and other reports. Now here in the buying section, this one is a module designed to help businesses manage and streamline their procurement and purchasing processes. In the selling section, this section covers everything from customer management, quotations, and sales orders to invoicing, shipments, and more. So basically, buying and selling section is indeed very important for you if you're planning a business. Now let's proceed to the next one. Here, let's talk about the stock section. So this one is a comprehensive module designed to help businesses manage their inventory and stock levels efficiently. Here you will see warehouse management, stock entries, batch and serial number tracking, stock evaluation, stock replenishment, and other reports talking about assets. In this section, it will help you manage your fixed assets throughout the life cycle. So basically, this module is essential for companies that need to track and maintain physical assets such as machinery, equipment, furniture, vehicles, or buildings. So there are tons of tools that are indeed very necessary and beneficial if you want to open your business. So aside from assets, you can see manufacturing, quality, projects, support, users, website, CRM, which is indeed very important, and also other tools here that you can use. So the main benefit or the best thing about this platform, it allows businesses to manage and integrate various core functions seamlessly, from accounting, HR, inventory, sales, purchasing, and manufacturing to CRM, asset management, and more. And apart from these useful tools, ERPNext also has a user-friendly interface. So all in all, or in summary, the main benefit of ERPNext is its affordability, flexibility, and all-encompassing feature set that empowers businesses to streamline operations, gain real-time insights, and scale efficiently across multiple departments, all within one open-source system. And basically, that's it. So this tutorial serves as an overview or introduction for those who want to try this ERPNext platform. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.